I'm sorry about the noise here. I'm only going to be a minute here, but I have sad news, and the sad news is that, remember the drone that you saw in all the videos? Well, anyway, that drone is now at the bottom of the Hudson River. It's very sad. It wasn't the drone's fault, it was my fault. I wasn't paying attention, so I am without a drone right now. So I'm really sad. So I don't know what I'm going to do about a drone, but we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Say hello to number 4. Of my car to give me light on my face because it's so dark over here. But where I am is I'm at Whalen and Ball Funeral Home, Whalen and Ball. And if you live in Yonkers, everybody knows from Whalen and Ball on Park Avenue, you could see Manhattan. I have the drone with me. I'm going to send the drone up. I want to show you how awesome the city looks when the drone is all the way up. I'm going to send it up about 1,000 feet. You're going to see it's going to look awesome. Watch. Was that awesome or what? Okay. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I will see you on the next video. Okay guys, love you, bye.